Day in Parliament.
Ekiombe getenenerete abarimu b'ekikuru ky'oboroso Kuppet nigo kiaruro kuboria ase abachumbe naboigo ekiombe yokubarika abarimu Teacher Service Commission TSC ko bari baga abarimu bali ababeire isiko asegeka bataranyora emirimo okora nabariki omunyakerogo bw'ekiombe kyo omboko milemba nigateba bunenere nchera yemo yoko egosenchera yoka endonge yoko enekiabuna abarimu bari kirwa senchire bwenerete yemaiga yekiombe ya Teacher Service Commission koganiwa komenta barimu wetani emeronko egose wetani chiribu emeronke tato ase mogose ase getengo kia junior secondary.
I see many politicians and members of parliament like myself now want to undertake the recruitment of teachers themselves. We must realize that these hullabaloo is because of the gaps that could be existing in the fairness of the process. And therefore I want to ask the Commission that this process must be very fair. If the process is fair, no politician will come out to start haggling in the employment of the teachers, because this is a professional issue which must be handled professionally by the Teacher Service Commission and not the politicians like myself. Because if we allow the process to be undertaken by the political wing, then we shall not have fairness. But at the same time, the Teachers Service Commission must be called to order to be as fair as possible. Number one, we have teachers who trained and left college in 2010, 2011. Some of them are 2009. Why are they not employed today? Yet we have teachers who came out of college in 2015, 2016 and are employed. This is where the rubber is meeting the road, and that is why the politicians feel like they must enter the process to oversight. So the Commission must follow its regulations, which I read today morning very, very clearly, that the teacher who left college earlier must be given the first priority. That is the only way we shall be fair to Kenyans. Most of the teachers come from very poor families. And if we don't become as fair as that, then most of them who cannot reach Nairobi, who cannot talk to somebody else to help them, will not get these employment opportunities.